What is your name?
My name is Jarvis.
What do you do?
I'm a very accurate and advanced AI chatbot.
Who created you?
I was created by Bakar Ali, a web developer who has 1.5 years of experience in web development, and for the past 4 months, he has been exploring the field of AI agents. He has created some AI agents, including me, and has showcased them in a demo video.
So the first agent is a video analysis AI agent which is created with the help of Phi framework. Python is used as a programming language. Along with that, for the front end and the UI part, I have used Streamlit library. To make these things little bit challenging for our AI agent, I have provided the source video in Hindi language. So we will see whether our AI agent is able to understand the Hindi
वो
content.
लाइन सुनी होगी आपने कि भैया पैसा भाइयों को भी अलग करा देता है, लेकिन कभी आपने ये सुना है कि बहुत ज्यादा पैसा भाइयों को साथ में भी ले आता है? बस यही हुआ हल्दीराम के साथ.
So if you have paid close attention and if you have watched the video carefully, agent was able to understand what was being told in the video. That means what was the topic of the video about Haldiram and the brothers, and he was able to provide a very good brief summary of this video. The next agent is PDF analysis agent. The interesting thing about this agent is that if you want to use this agent, then you need to have Docker installed. So here we are using Docker containers also, and you can see here Docker container has been made using here pgvector. Okay, next is the playground. So what does the playground means? So actually in Phi, whatever the agents which we are creating, the endpoints of the agent, we can't access it with our local machines. So we need to use Phi playground in order to use our these kind of AI agents, Phi agents. And here you can see the endpoint local 777. So this is the endpoint on which our financial AI agent is being hosted, and we can use it with the help of Phi playground. And you can see here I have provided with two tools. One is the DuckDuckGo search and other is the Phi Finance. You can see the responses, and it is able to give us a very good response about details about the stock, the prices of the stock, and a comparison between different stocks like Tesla is there, Nvidia is there. So next agent is very similar to the Phi Finance agent. The only difference is that we are not using Phi playground and we are just running it with the command prompt in the VS Code itself, and you can see the responses in the screen itself. So this is a fitness tracker app which has been created with the help of Google Fitness API. For using this web app, you need to have a smartwatch and how many steps you have took in a day, and what is your heart rate, what is your sleep cycle, and other bunch of different health details it will be provided. So the next is the medical image analysis web app. So here we are using ChatGPT 4o, the Omni model, especially using the image analysis ability of ChatGPT. So here we have fine-tuned and few shot prompted the ChatGPT so that it can provide us a brief and a special response for our particular usage. So here is a medical usage, because we are going to provide medical images like x-rays or skin body images. So this is the medical OCR, and it is one of the best project that you will see in this video. So here the user have to provide a medical prescription which he or she will get from the doctor. Once the user uploads the prescription, the web app uses the Google Cloud Vision for extracting the text content from the image. So that is the OCR part, and whatever the text content which has been provided by the Google Cloud Vision, it will be sent as a context to the LLM model. Then LLM model will provide a brief report like what are the medicines are there and what are the consequences if he or she misses the medicine. Google Calendar API, and it will schedule the medicines. So this is the financial AI, and it was created to solve a monotonous problem. Like most of the people, they have bunch of different subscriptions, but they use only one or two platforms like Netflix and Spotify, and rest other subscription I don't use the particular platform, their services, but they end up losing a major chunk of their income in this subscription. To solve this problem, we have created this financial AI which helps the user automatically from your bank account. To solve this problem, we have created this financial AI which helps the user to manage their expenses and whatever the subscriptions they have. And entire the backend is written with the help of JavaScript. So the debt dashboard, the calculation of debt, and the subscription management and income versus expenses, everything is written with the help of JavaScript. And the beautiful UI, this entire website was created in a single night because it was a part of the hackathon, and this entire website was created by me only. So there was no other members who joined me in creating in this website.
What is my current balance?
Your current balance is $5,000.
Next we have ProLife. So it's a very basic project which was created for student for solving a problem of managing different subjects. So nothing special in this. Next is a weekend project which I have created. It's a simple image editing app in which you can put the text behind the main subject of the image. So the next project is AI chat app. We are solving a problem of introverts because introverts, they don't have friends. So how the web app works, basically the user, it will be directed to a form where some of the information will be taken by the user. What are the interests, what are the things they like, and what are the things they don't like. And using that information, we will use AI and we will create bunch of different chatbots, and each chatbot will talk with the user based on the interest. So next project is the Pymon project. Basically for the front end I have used React.js, for the database I have used MongoDB, and for the backend I have used Python and Fast API. So it is also fundamentally a AI chatbot, but I have created it inspired from a MIT research. So in this they were trying to create a AI model that will act as a 60-year-old self, and that will help the user to guide through the major events in their life, like a personal mentor or like a big AI brother, like a big bro, had inspired me to create this project. So in this the user is able to upload the memories, like whatever the major events which had happened in the user life, they can upload it in the memory section of our web app, and it will be stored in the MongoDB database. The AI will have the access to the MongoDB database with the memories which has been uploaded by the user, and using those memory as the context in the LLM model, the user will try to act as a 60-year-old self, and it will help the user to like guide through the major events in their life, to take a important decision and other things in their life. In this all the CRUD operations is possible, like you can create the memory, you can delete memory, you can update the memory, and whatever the changes has been made, it will be reflected in the database, and it will also be updated in the chatbot itself. So this project is divided into three parts. First is the summary generation, second is structuring the text input, and third is the social media research as an input which is provided by the user. For in the demo video, for the demo purpose, I have generated a very long story with the ChatGPT, and you can see a very good, concise, crisp summary has been generated with our AI agent. And second part, for this I have created a messy data, or you can say messy information about AI agent. So in our life we have evidence in which we have data which is very important, but it is not structured in a proper way, and it is very difficult to use that particular data, especially if we are from a machine learning background. So this agent was created for cleaning up the data. The third is the social media research. So in this we are using Google Search API along with the YouTube API. So based on the input, like you can search any latest news, for example Pakistan and India war which is ongoing, and those LinkedIn posts will be provided by our agent, and you can copy and paste it, and you can like use it in your social media. Its project is the medical diagnosis app. So in this the user have to provide a medical report in a text document, and our AI agent will analyze the report, and it will provide a detailed diagnosis to the user. So it will provide a bunch of different insights about what are the causes of a particular disease, and how you can like prevent it, or how you can cure it, and what are the steps you have to take in order to become healthy. And apart from getting the response from the LLM model, it will also use web search results also, and in this you can see again same Google Search API has been used for getting the information from the web. The next is like the extension to the previous project, the medical diagnosis app, but in this instead of uploading that can have like x-rays of different parts of our body, and AI model will like analyze the image, and it will try to predict the disease which you are facing. Thank you for watching this video. As you can see, I have a very good experience in the field of AI and in the field of creating AI agents, and creating websites, and I am very confident at my skills, and I am very much sure that I can provide a great amount of value to our company.